Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cat carrier for road trips is crash test certified, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SleepyPod Mobile Pet Bed. The SleepyPod Mobile Pet Bed combines proven car safety with a design that maximizes your cat's comfort. The carrier uses a round cat bed as its base, with the intention that you would leave it out for your cat's regular use. Then, when it's time to get in the car for your next veterinary trip, your cat already feels safe and secure in their carrier. The top part of the SleepyPod is a mesh dome that zippers onto the rim of the bed. From there, easy grip zipper pulls can be used to open this dome down the middle for access to your cat. It's a combination that works well, though it may prove less useful if your cat already has a beloved cat bed. But even if they don't develop a familiarity with the SleepyPod's bottom half, this is still one of the best options for car travel thanks to its safe design. Moving on at number 4, we have the Petseek Extra Large Cat Carrier. Our favorite soft-sided carrier, the Petseek Extra Large Cat Carrier is an all-around great carrier, though it lacks the car safety bona fides of the SleepyPod. As the name suggests, this is a very roomy carrier, with a rigid steel frame and a 55-pound weight limit. Our tester used the carrier with 2 large cats and said, "This is my favorite cat carrier by far." It's even collapsible for easy storage. In addition to the safety tether inside of the carrier, the Petseek has seatbelt loops which allow you to secure a seatbelt across the waist of the carrier, belting it securely in place on your back seat. At number 3, we have the Diggs Passenger Travel Carrier. The Diggs Passenger Travel Carrier is a premium soft-sided carrier designed for easy airline travel, with features like a trolley sleeve for luggage attachment and multiple pockets for carrying accessories. The Diggs carrier has multiple points of access, including a dual zipper top panel that includes an easy-to-use lock. Its removable dog bed even comes with specially tailored pee pads for cleaning up after any accidents. At number 2, we have the One for Pets Portable Pet Kennel. The One for Pets Portable 2-in-1 lets you transport 2 or more cats while keeping them separate. The dual carriers can be used separately or together, and each has zippable door panels on the front and sides. You can even unzip the dividers between carriers and use the 2 in combination to form one large interior space. The zippered mesh doors have Velcro attachments points on top, so you can roll them up and leave the portable kennel open and accessible. The double carrier even comes with plastic pegs that you can use to stake the whole assemblage down to the ground on outdoor outings. And finally at number 1, we have the Tavo Pets Maeve Car Seat. The Maeve Pet Car Seat has 2 main components, the pet carrier and the vehicle base, along with a variety of other features that make it a solid choice for keeping a cat safe on a road trip, including 2 liners, 2 leash tethers, and a pouch to keep everything organized. Plus, the sturdy pet car seat has a removable canopy with breathable fabric offering UPF 50+ protection from the sun. While heavy, we found the vehicle base, weighing a little over 12 pounds, to be easy to install, and once it was all in place in the back seat, the pet car seat piece attached very easily. The Maeve is offered in 3 sizes, and the medium is capable of supporting small pets up to 25 pounds. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon